These gangsters coming in here. Little ducklings or geeslings or goslings. That's kind of what they look like. It's hard to tell from a distance, but there were 2 geese around here, 2 or even 4, but they look like little goslings, or they're just smaller birds kind of floating off there. I know the little birds in Rittenhouse will eat the bird food. Seagulls, I guess I know they like to be fed, at beaches and stuff, and if you bring bread or feed them, popcorn or whatever you have, they may not recognize the little bird feed. Or down here at Penn's Landing, I know that people have fed them at Penn's Landing before, so there haven't been as many people down here because of the construction, other than the river rink, the Winterfest, river rink thing. Here's the 2 big geese here, and that sort of seems like their little clan over there. Here's a pigeon here. I'm sorry, a seagull. So there's the 2. Babies are over there. I don't know if the camera can pick them up, but there's some bird seed over there. So he's stepping on a little bit. There we go. See if you like it. This is like a wild mix bird food from Accent on Animals. So they might like more fishy stuff or bread. So they're thinking. Also, I'm standing right here, so I wonder if they're not. I remember growing up and going to Rehoboth Beach, and you always knew who was feeding the birds because all the seagulls would flock to someone's towel on the beach, and it would be like a general rule that you really shouldn't feed them like too much just because of that, but it's hard to resist. This is regular bird food as opposed to anything else, so. I don't think the seed floats, it's up there. Grab it up into the second frame here. That's hard. I miss. I was just gonna. That's what I wanted the seagull, like cry. They don't like her. goose, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I know there's more goslings out there. Floating over there by the bridge. Right, and 2 more geese over there.